You want to feed your lawn, and you know you're supposed to get even coverage, but you're never really sure what setting you're supposed to use. And worst of all, you're afraid the product you're using could burn your lawn if you do it incorrectly. In this video, you will learn how to use any lawn spreader and how to get perfect results from your application. Now, I've learned a lot of secrets and I've made a lot of mistakes over the years, and I want to share them with you. Before we get into the actual spreading tips, anytime you're making an application to your lawn, you want to use a rotary type spreader and not a drop spreader. Drop spreaders are great, but not for spreading products across your lawn. A rotary or broadcast spreader uses an impeller to fling product across your lawn, and it does this evenly and will greatly reduce the chances of products burning your lawn. Now, speaking of burning your lawn, there is one simple reason that fertilizers burn your lawn. And this happens because you're using a high concentration of fertilizer in a given area. So to help you avoid this, there are 3 crucial things that I want you to do. Tip number 1 is always fill your spreader on concrete and not your lawn. The worst thing that could happen while filling your spreader is that it accidentally tips over and dumps fertilizer directly on your lawn. Oh, and double check your hopper just to make sure it's closed before you start filling up your spreader. Tip number 2 is reduce your spreader setting. Look, the goal here is to evenly apply fertilizer across our entire lawn. And to ensure we don't run out before we get to the end, adjust your spreader setting so it doesn't come out quite so fast. Tip number 3, now this is the secret sauce. Instead of making a single pass, working your way around your lawn, try making a double pass. Now, it doesn't matter the direction that you start, say north and south. Once you finish going in one direction, you're then going to go over the lawn again, but now in the opposite direction, say east and west. Now, yes, this is more work, but this ensures we don't burn our lawn and we're going to get an even application of product. Let me give you some quick tips to ensure you're doing it right, saving you time and money. Never stop or start your hopper while you're standing still. Oh, and don't worry about a trim pass anymore. Because we're actually doing a double pass, doing a trim pass will cause you to over apply on the edges of your lawn. Try using your mower lines to keep you straight. And if you're having a hard time pushing your spreader fast enough to ensure that the granules are being flung far enough, try filling your hopper with half the product that you need, because a lighter spreader is much easier to push around. Something that I wish I would have done sooner was invest in a quality spreader. Now look, we all start somewhere, and I used a Scott spreader for years. It's almost a rite of passage. But I will tell you this, investing in a quality spreader goes a long way to helping you make the process of those applications that much more enjoyable, and it's going to deliver you better results in the long run. If you want to learn more tips on how to dominate your neighborhood, check out the next video. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.